how to add widget on cover screen of Samsung. So you just easily add any widget. So at first open your settings, scroll down, press on cover screen, then showing here this option, and you just easily add any widget. Okay, and I'm at new page, click on, to select, and as you can like, now it's done. Now I'm check in. So that's it.